The 2025 Ford Mustang GT continues the legacy of American muscle, blending raw power with modern technology. Ford has refined its design, making it more aggressive and aerodynamic, while maintaining the iconic Mustang DNA. This latest iteration is built for enthusiasts who crave speed, style, and a thrilling driving experience. The exterior of the 2025 Mustang GT has been sharpened with a more sculpted and athletic stance. The front end features a redesigned grille, now larger and more aggressive, flanked by sleeker LED headlights with a more angular shape. The lower bumper integrates functional air intakes, improving cooling and aerodynamics. Along the sides, muscular fenders and sharp body lines give the Mustang an imposing road presence. New lightweight alloy wheels enhance performance while adding a modern touch to its classic silhouette. At the rear, the signature tri-bar LED taillights return with an updated lighting sequence, and the rear bumper has been reworked to accommodate quad exhaust tips, hinting at the power under the hood. A new integrated rear spoiler improves downforce, keeping the Mustang stable at high speeds. Underneath the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, now producing an exhilarating 500 horsepower. Ford has fine-tuned the engine for a more responsive throttle and a wider power band, delivering an electrifying driving experience. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for a purist's driving feel or a 10-speed automatic for seamless shifts and optimal performance. The new electronic limited slip differential ensures maximum traction during aggressive acceleration, while the updated MagneRide adaptive suspension provides improved handling without compromising ride comfort. Ford has also introduced a new track mode, adjusting steering sensitivity, throttle response, and exhaust sound to deliver an even more immersive performance experience. With a 0-60 mph time in the low 4-second range, the 2025 Mustang GT is faster and more capable than ever. Stepping inside, the Mustang GT embraces a tech-forward cockpit while maintaining its driver-focused layout. The 12.4-inch fully digital instrument cluster is customizable, providing real-time performance data and a variety of display options. The center stack houses a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest Sync 4 software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials have been upgraded with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather-wrapped seats, and carbon fiber accents, giving the cabin a more refined yet sporty feel. The new flat-bottom steering wheel enhances grip and control, while the optional Recaro Performance seats offer extra support for spirited driving. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT delivers an unbeatable combination of power, style, and cutting-edge technology. With its aggressive design, enhanced performance, and modern interior, it stays true to the Mustang,